Okay, good morning everyone. This is lecture number 36 of Engineering Thermodynamics. Today also we'll continue with numerical part. In last lecture we have seen some simple numericals. Our next problem, a rigid vessel contains liquid vapor. A rigid vessel contains a liquid vapor mixture in the ratio 3:2. Means 3 part is a liquid and 2 part is a vapor by volume. Determine quality of water vapor. Determine quality of water vapor means we have to determine dryness fraction and total mass of fluid in vessel. If the volume of vessel is 2 meter cube and the initial temperature is 150 degrees Celsius. Here wet steam is given. Liquid vapor mixture means wet steam, and in this proportion of liquid is 3 and vapor is 2, means liquid vapor proportion is 3:2. 3 part is liquid and 2 part is vapor. Determine quality. Quality means dryness fraction, quality of water vapor mixture and total mass of fluid in vessel. We have to calculate total mass of fluid, means total mass of wet steam. If the vessel is a 2 meter cube, volume of vessel is given 2 meter cube and the initial temperature is 150 degrees Celsius. From the steam table at 150 degrees Celsius, look at here, it is a wet steam. It is a wet steam. Therefore, for volume, we have to apply Vf plus x Vfg. From steam table, Vf is equal to, from steam table at 150 degrees Celsius, Vf is equal to 0.001091 meter cube per kg and Vg is 0.3928 meter cube per kg. Now, volume occupied by water is 1.2 meter cube and volume occupied by steam is 0.8 meter cube. Now, how we calculated this? Look at here. Volume of vessel is 2 meter cube. Volume of vessel is 2 meter cube, and in this volume, wet steam is stored. In this vessel, wet steam is stored, and total volume of wet steam is 2 meter cube. Total volume of wet steam is 2 meter cube, out of which 3 part is water and 2 part is vapor. Therefore, uh, uh, if we divide it by 5, 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. If we divide 2 by 5, we'll get zero point 0.4. We'll get zero point 0.4. Now 3 part, zero point 0.4 into 3 is 1.2 and 0 0.4 into 2 is 0.8. Understood how to calculate it? I will repeat it again. Volume of vessel is a 2 meter cube. Volume of vessel is 2 meter cube. And in this vessel, wet steam is stored. Wet steam is stored. And wet steam consists of a liquid vapor ratio 3:2. Now, how to calculate amount of liquid and amount of steam? The total proportion is 3 plus 2 is 5. Total proportion 3 plus 2 is 5. Then if we divide 2 by 5, we will get 0.4, and 0.4 is a proportion of single constituent, we can see. Therefore, 0.4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 1.2 and 0.4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 0.8. In this way we can calculate, or you can divide 2 into 5 parts. You can divide 2 into 5 parts. Take 3 parts for liquid and 2 parts for steam. In this way you can calculate the volume of water and volume of steam. But we have to calculate mass. The mass of water vapor is mf. The mass of water vapor is mf. Sorry, mass of water is the mass of total water. Therefore, 1.2 upon 0.001091. Look at here. What is Vf is a specific volume of a liquid. Vf is a specific volume of a liquid, and specific volume is equal to specific volume is equal to volume per mass. Volume per mass. Look at here. Specific volume is equal to volume per mass. Therefore, here, if go to mute, Vf is a specific volume which is meter cube per kg. Therefore, Vf is a ratio of total volume and mass. Now I want to calculate mass. Therefore, mass is equal to volume upon specific volume, and the volume is 1.2 meter cube, and specific volume is 0.001091. In this way, we can calculate mass of water. Now, mass of steam. Again, mass of steam is written as mg. Total volume upon specific volume. Total volume upon specific volume. Specific volume of gas is 0.3928 is equal to 2.04 kg.